Hello. Today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this POHO 4K webcam with light. This is a webcam for a personal computer. It's an eye contact webcam, sensorless focus, Ultra HD in 4K 30 frames. This is a webcam also for laptop. For webcam, for Zoom, Skype, YouTube, and streaming. And we have here 4K Ultra HD and face-to-face communication possibility. Because here comes the upgraded 8 megapixel center screen webcam, captures every detail and delivers clear, vivid images. The 4K 30 frames resolution and a 2.55-inch CMOS sensor extends the webcam for laptop light-sensitive areas and enhance the light capture. This making our calls feel like a face-to-face communication, enhancing natural eye contact and giving us more convenience on the phone. Perfect for remote work, online meetings, or virtual learning. We have an adjustable laptop camera and a remote control. It's equipped with a remote control to adjust the camera remotely, auto or fixed focus. We can zoom in and zoom out. We adjust the brightness and the saturation. We rotate the 4K webcam up and down to find the most suitable angle for us. With zoom function up to 3840 to 2160 resolution, we can go ahead and fine-tune our look to make sure that we always look our best on the screen. And lighting modes and dual noise reduction. Microphones. With this webcam with microphone, they have designed 3 lighting modes. We choose from cold light, natural light, or warm light. In addition, the live streaming camera is equipped with an integrated condenser digital microphone to ensure a clear audio even in cluttered environments. This uniquely designed wide-angle webcam ensures that we will be able to deliver clear images and audio wherever it is, day or night, and whether the sounds around us at a quiet or noisy place. And sensorless auto and focus, and that means plug and play, baby. Because this webcam for a personal computer with 4K can have an autofocus function, which can be adjusted to guide autofocus according to different light adjustments to ensure the clarity of the picture. Sensorless focusing, 1 up to 2 seconds high smoothness, baby. No lag, as you can see. It works really cool. If we want to customize the focus, we can also disable this feature and take the full control of the video quality ourselves. It is worth mentioning that our HD webcam plug and play does not require a complicated installation procedure. We simply connect it to our laptop or desktop and we are ready to go. Convenient, portable, and ready to use in seconds. And a big compatibility and a privacy protection. Because this centered cam is compatible with a USB-A or Type-C adapter included, whenever we are teaching online, webcasting, chatting in our spare time, or hosting business meetings, this center screen webcam is our best choice for that. When we need to protect our privacy, we just close the privacy cover on it. Job's done, baby. That's a cool gimmick. And we have high quality. Oh yeah. That's really cool. This webcam is more suitable for 27 inches and below displays. More than 27 inches above displays, maybe slightly smaller. We could choose the webcam that suits to us and makes a good job to us. Because this is the POHO, P-O-H-O, 4K webcam with light on top. It's a webcam for a personal computer, for a laptop, and so on. It's an eye contact webcam, sensorless focus, Ultra HD resolution in 4K and 30 frames per second. It's a webcam for laptop. It's a webcam for Zoom, for Skype, for YouTube too, and of course for streaming and meetings. That's cool for privacy, that's cool for business, and that's cool for vacation because we can attach it to our device so fast in a glance. This is the Pro 4K webcam. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Satan!